Is this division of time into past, present, and future as neat and tidy as our date books make it out to be? Aristotle formulated one of the basic paradoxes of time.
Time, whether limitless or any given length, is made up of the no longer and not yet. How can we conceive of that which is composed of non-existence?
Aristotle, when he treats time in the physics, starts with a riddle that he never answers that goes something like this. Think about time as divided into the past, the present, and the future. And then think for a while about what the present is. How thick is the present? The present is just a limit between the past and the future. And then you get the paradox. Because the past is something that does not exist. It has existed, but it does not exist any longer. The future is something that does not exist. It will exist, but it doesn't exist. And the present is nothing. So time seemed to be a nothing dividing something non-existent from something non-existent.
J.M.E. McTaggart considered the ideas of past, present, and future and wrote a pivotal essay called The Unreality of Time. McTaggart points out that however unnatural it may feel to assert that time is unreal, many thinkers have treated it as such, and he thought they were right.
Past, present, and future are incompatible determinations. Every event must be one or the other, but no event can be more than one. And it is because the distinctions of the past, present, and future seem to me to be essential for time that I regard time as unreal.
McTaggart's argument is that these notions are in some sense self-contradictory. And perhaps the easiest way to think about that is to think about the present. There's only one present. This moment is the only present moment. On the other hand, every moment is present. How do we reconcile these things? What is unique about the present moment being present and now past?
Does the present enjoy some sort of privileged status in terms of its reality? Or is temporal becoming just a subjective illusion of human consciousness? For persons in 2000 BC, that time is real and present. For persons in 2050, that time is real and present for them. For us, our time now is real and present. Is this just a subjective illusion, or is there in fact some sort of privileged status, privileged reality that the present possesses, which the past and future do not?